Hi, my name is Jeff, and welcome back to my workshop as we continue the project for the Burdick Freight Dock kit. We're going to be adding the roofs. We've got two roof cards that we're going to cut out here, and then the roof cap that will go above the roof card on the tower section of the building. So like we did with the walls, we're just going to cut these out of their carrier sheet, being careful that we hit that cut mark as we go through them so that we don't take a slice off of the loading dock roof card, which these are both attached to, or to the other part of the roof that we need today. Once we get these out, then we're also going to get the roof cap off of the other card section we have, which just contains two pieces, the roof cap and the base for the loading dock, or the dock ramp. Once we get those cut, we can remove them. And now remove the roof cap, which will go over the tower and support the witch's hat roof. With them removed from the cards, they're ready for painting. We need to paint the undersides. We don't have to worry about the top side because that will be covered with roofing material in our next episode. But we do want to paint the undersides and edges, and we're going to do that by attaching these to a paint stick that I've got painter's tape wrapped around so it's sticky side out. And then I'm just going to paint them with the same paint we use for the trim. Okay, with those painted and dry, we're ready to install them. So first I'm going to test fit them, and then I will apply glue to the tops of the walls. And for the short section, I'm also going to apply glue to the edge that will go against the tower so that it's secured on all four. But first we'll test fit it, and that's the way it's going to go in there. And unfortunately, I apologize, but I did not get video footage of me gluing these on. But I just glued them on with carpenter's glue, with the same yellow carpenter's glue we've been using through most of this. Okay, with the roof pieces attached now, I've removed the piece for the witch's cap that will go on top of the tower, and I'm just folding them on the score marks that are on it to create the triangular cone, pyramid shape of the cap. And then I'm going to glue the points where it came together with some Eileen's tacky glue. And I'm just going to put it on the two edges of it, and then tap it with my finger to spread it out. That also makes it a little tackier because it starts its drying process. And that way, when I put it together, I just have to hold it in for a little bit. I'm also going to add a small piece of painter's tape inside the cap and one outside to hold it until it's dry. Once it's dry, then I'll remove that and glue it onto the roof. Or I should say onto the roof cap of the tower. getting it square to the tower. In our next episode, we'll be adding roofing material to this. I hope you've enjoyed this content. Please make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episode. And please hit that thumbs up button to give this a like.